Welcome to my channel. ASUS Router Reset Guide, back to factory settings easily. Step 1. Keep the router powered on. Make sure your ASUS router is plugged in and the power light is stable before starting the reset process. Step 2. Find the reset button. Look for the small reset button on the back or bottom of the router. Step 3. Use a paper clip. Take a paper clip, pin, or SIM tool to press the reset button. Step 4. Press and hold reset. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Step 5. Watch the LED lights. Keep holding the button until the router's LED lights start blinking or change their pattern. Step 6. Release the button. Let go of the reset button and allow the router to begin the factory reset process. Step 7. Wait for the router to restart. Give the router 2 to 3 minutes to erase settings and reboot completely. Step 8. Reconnect to the default Wi-Fi. After the reset, connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network shown on the router label. Step 9. Open the ASUS setup page. Open a web browser and go to the router setup page to start configuration. Step 10. Create new settings. Set up a new Wi-Fi name, password, and other network settings to finish the installation. Thanks for watching.